Like, I got steel, pre-mixed fuel and oil. Does not want to do anything. It took me literally a minute to cut that. A minute. Because it kept getting stuck, as you saw. And this is very... Look how clicky that is. It's going... It should be smooth. And I've worked with chainsaws my whole life. I put everything together correctly. You know, put the right fuel mixture in there. Everything. It's brand new. Literally got the packaging down there in my driveway. This thing has been running for... I let it run for 5 minutes. Just idling. So, and then I made one cut, barely. Junk. I mean, $165, $170, whatever it was. Dude, no. This is such a waste of money. This is terrible. The engine seems to be running pretty good, but it's the clutch. Something with the clutch is sticking, making the chain stick or something weird, and this is really flimsy. This feels like it's gonna break when you pull it off. Like, look at that. It bends all the way back to there. And these are a pain. It literally takes about 30 to 40 seconds just to get this started. It just wants to spin and spin and spin. Like, it takes forever to get it to actually thread in. I don't know. I went against the bad reviews and gave this thing a shot, and I'm returning it tomorrow. And I just got it today.
NEO-TEC NCS 2500. Best top handle saw you can get for your price. 140 bucks shipped to your door. You don't need to make any adjustments out of the box. You can if you're mechanically inclined for the air fuel mixture. It's got a 12-inch bar on it. It's top handle saw, great for trimming trees. I decided to test it out because it was 140 bucks compared to 600 for a Stihl or a Husqvarna. I've used it for about 3 to 4 days now. It fell out of a tree, survived a 20-foot drop. Overall, I'm really impressed with how it runs. Chain's great out of the box. You don't have to sharpen it, don't have to file it. You can if you want. Other than that, it's real easy to assemble out of the box and throw the chain on and start cutting. Starts up real good. Reminds me of running like a Husqvarna. This has been sitting outside for about 3 days now, not running, out in the weather. Chainsaws and stuff like that, they're tools to me, so if I leave it outside, it is what it is. But you choke it, make sure your on switch is on.
Okay, so I thought I'd do one of these reviews for Amazon. I ordered a NEO-TEC 12-inch chainsaw. So I just opened up the box and came in those boxes. Bag. This. Oh, that's cool. I like how they packaged the chainsaw blade. That's nice. Fuel mixing canister. And it's chainsaw. Well, this is to be continued because I'm missing a nut. Also, most of my stuff is either 40 or 50 to 1 ratio. This chainsaw is actually calling for a 25 to 1 ratio. So, I guess I'm not even going to bother putting it together. I don't know if I have a nut like that or not.
So I got the chainsaw all put together. You think everything will be fine, but listen to the nose sprocket when I spin it with just my hand. As you can see, it's lifting off the bar. It doesn't fit. I can't even spin it right now. It's not. Here. Shouldn't do that. Spins really for a little bit. Brand new out the box.
Yeah, here is the chainsaw. For some reason, the clutch is always engaged on this. It doesn't matter whether you have the chain brake on or off. So it's very difficult to pull it. When you pull it, you're rotating the chain. I'll pull it for you now here, but so it pulls extremely hard because you're driving the chain as well, and so it just won't start anymore.
Yep, there it is. Little topping saw. I don't know how it's going to work, but we're going to find out.